So after the first video, you guys can like draw the coordinate plane and know how to use canvas. And in this video, I will show you guys how to divide the axis and y axis to many equal parts. So you guys can look at these features, and as you can see that I divide like in five parts here, 1 2 3 4 5 in here, and for example like here. And now I will show you guys some basic math, like elementary students can even understand this. So it is really easy to do it. So let's see a little bit uh, maths here. So the first picture is uh, you guys need to divide the x-axis. So uh, there is 50 pixels and there is 50 pixels. I already told you guys in the previous videos, and now we only focus on the x-axis here from this point to this arrow. So I don't want it. I don't want the first point and the last point too near to the y-axis and the x-axis. So I made it 50 pixels right from the y-axis and 100 pixels left from the x-axis, and then the space between two points is distance, a value named distance or something, and you guys will have it when you guys take the last point and take the maximum of x, and then you guys minus it to the minimum x, and then you guys divided it by the distance of x. So uh, you guys will see it in the code here. So the var value is the thing that I told you before, that the number of spaces. So it will here it will this line, and then you guys need to only need to like move it. You guys here you guys can see the code here, and it's really simple. Yeah, yeah. Do you guys understand it? I think it's really easy to understand because it doesn't have much thing. It's just a basic math for the elementary school students. But you only need to draw it on the screen, and it's really easy. You can see the code and you can understand it immediately. And the y-axis is the same. Uh, 50 pixels here and 50 pixels here, but and the distance right here. But one thing here is if the minimum of y is 0, you need to divide it a little bit like different. So let's see this picture. No, no, not this picture. This picture. So you guys can see it. If the 0 points here, so the minimum of y and the next point of it is has a space with the distance y, and it's not 50 like in this situations where the minimum of y is not 0. So you guys need to be careful in this part. So let's see the code. So the code is like this. It's a little bit long, but it's really easy to understand. The variable value here is the same with the x-axis. It's really okay to understand, but you need to divide it to two situations. One is the minimum of y is equal to 0, and the here equal to 0, and one is not equal to 0. You guys need to divide it to two situations, and you guys need to solve it to draw it. So let's see a little bit here. So for example, the minimum for x is 1 maximum maximum 1, right, and the distance 1, and the first solution says minimum of y is 0, maximum is 50, and the distance is 12, 10, 10. So here you guys can see that the minimum of y, which is 0, will be the at the bottom of the y-axis, as will look like this, and the distance between these 2 points is the distance of y. And now we will reload it and then uh, draw again, but the minimum of y is not 0, or the most 10, 50, 10, and voila. The minimum of y is not at the bottom of the y-axis, but it if about 50 pixels top of the y-axis, and it's really nice. So this video is really easy to do. You guys can easily to do it. Yeah, so thanks for watching. The next video will be uploaded soon. Bye.